traders, this is Matt with newbietrader.com, and this is your daily wrap-up video for Thursday, January 15th, 2015. What a fantastic day we had in the market. There was a lot of trades going on. We had 42 trades on the day. 13 of them ended up being losers for a winning percentage of 69.05%, and we ended up with $2,340 on the day. Now today was an exceptional day, and there was a lot of trades, as I mentioned, 42 trades, and that's going from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. So now obviously a lot of traders aren't going to trade all day long, but if you did, there was $2,340 opportunity. And I just want to mention on this chart, you're going to see a couple of different colors and boxes here. The large boxes are when we put you on warning, and then within the boxes you'll see smaller aqua colored boxes or pink boxes. Those are the actual trigger signals, and all these signals are automatic. They're computer generated. They put you on warning. You get the opportunity to take the signal when you see the trigger, and then we teach you our simple 5-part system on how to use this. So I'm not going to run through all the trades, but I will scan through them and show you. Basically, we had a wedge pattern forming on the S&P 500, and we use that as kind of our navigation beacon. And with that, the market started off with a nice move to the upside. You can see there's a $280 trade, $170 trade, and the market just basically kept rotating back and forth. And as we pushed higher, there's another $300 winner. Then it rotates off the top, made a nice move to the downside. You can see on the downside push, 460, 240, a little loss there of 100, another 240 winner, and then it rotated back up. So because we were getting such large rotations in the market, it gave us ample opportunities to take a lot of trades today. Now, today was not a typical day from the trade volume standpoint, but the winning percentage actually was a little below normal there at 69%. So the numbers all work. As we rotated to the upside, you can see there was a lot more wins as we got in these nice moves. And anyway, the market went back and forth about 4 times during the first half of the day. Then ultimately we broke down the wedge, did a wedge retest, and then the market just got in a nice sideways range for the last half of the day. And the range was so big that it gave us a lot of other opportunities throughout the day. You can see here, this is when we're breaking down the wedge there during the lunchtime dead zone, 240. There was a $440 move there. A rotation loss at 160, and this is where we started rotating back and forth sideways. You can see there's a few losses here towards the end of the day, but we also still had some pretty nice winners as we were rotating back and forth. So big loss there at the end of $120. So all in all, it was just a fantastic day. Like I said, we let me just pull this down here for you. We ended up with $2,340 on the day, and again, that was more than almost twice the trade volume we would typically see in a day. But nonetheless, because of the extreme volatility in the ES, I think the ES had like a 40-point range heading into the open. It created a lot of volatility here, which then translated into a lot of opportunities and a nice dollar total for the day, $2,340. So anyway, if you'd like to come over and learn how we do our simple 5-step trading plan, and look into getting this tool here that does all the signals for you, auto generation on your screen, just go over to newbie-trader.com/Russell. Thanks, and make it a great day.